guys, today I'm going to talk about Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was born in 1642, 25th December at Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. He was an English mathematician, astronomer, physicist, natural philosopher, alchemist, biblical scholar. He was born. His father's name is also Isaac Newton. Mother's name Hannah Iscoff. He was born 3 months after his father's death, so he's raised by his grandparents. From the age of 12 to 17, Newton studied at King's School, Grattan. His mother removed him from school and wanted him to become a farmer. Newton hated farming. The King's School master persuaded his mother to let Newton continue his studies. He attended Cambridge University in June 1661, but he could not pay his fees, so he worked part-time as a valet. Luckily, the university saw his talents and offered him scholarship. Due to the Great Plague, 1665 to 1666, Newton's university closed for a short while. So during this time, Newton returned home and developed his theories in optics and law of gravitation. He found the answer of binomial theorem that mathematicians had struggled to solve for years. He discovered lots of things. He saw an apple falling from a tree. He concluded that whatever goes up must come down. This led to the discovery of law of universal gravitation. Newton's first law of motion is objects at motion tend to stay at motion. Objects at rest tend to stay at rest unless acted by unbalanced force. Newton's second law of motion is force equals mass times acceleration. It also means the harder you kick a ball, the further it will go. Newton's third law of motion is for every action, does it equal an opposite reaction? It's Newton who invented the calculus and the reflecting telescope. At 27 years old, he became a professor of mathematics. Later, he became a fellow of Royal Society. In 1687, he published Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, an important book in the history of science. 1705, he was made knight by Queen Anne. But in 1727, March 20th, Newton died in his sleep peacefully and nicely. He is buried in Westminster Abbey, England. Now, I like to say some of Newton's quotes. What we know is a drop. What we don't know is the ocean. We build too many walls, but not enough bridges. Plato is my friend. Aristotle is my friend. But my greatest friend is truth. I can calculate the motions of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. Atheism is so senseless. When I look at the solar system, I see the Earth at the right distance from the Sun, receiving the proper amount of heat and light. This did not happen by chance. My powers are ordinary. Only my applications bring me success. Gravity explains the motion of planets, but not who set the planets in motion. I'm happy to share some facts with you about Sir Isaac Newton, the most influential scientist of all time and a key figure in the scientific revolution. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.